Hello everyone. Today in this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 best smart blender in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see more information with the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started. At number 5. Hamilton Beach 56206. The Hamilton Beach Smart Blender delivers an amazing blending performance, instead of piling on a lot of expensive features they don't need. At the end of the cycle, the blender shuts off automatically. The blender provides you ice saber blades and 700 watts of peak power, excellent ice crushing performance and easy clean smooth touchpad, dishwasher safe jar, blades and lid, cord storage area underneath the base. These Hamilton Beach Smart Blenders prepares a perfect smoothie with the press of a button. One touch of the Auto Smoothie button activates the smart, 45-second blending cycle with pulsing action to crush ice, low-speed mixing and high-speed for final smooth results. When your perfect smoothie is ready, the Smoothie Smart Blender automatically shuts off, preventing overblending. It's equipped with 5 blending functions including pulse, ice crush, mix and puree. At number 4. KitchenAid Diamond Blender. The KitchenAid Diamond blending system ensures that all ingredients blend together quickly and efficiently. A robust motor, unique one-piece, BPA-free diamond pitcher, stainless steel blades and electronic controls combine to create a powerful vortex that is fast and thorough for exceptional blending results. It has a die-cast metal base control panel with white LED lights. KitchenAid Diamond Blender's steel-reinforced coupler provides direct, efficient power transfer from the motor directly to the blade for robust blending. Its pulse mode works with all speeds for staggered blending, while the crush ice features pulses at precise intervals for optimal ice crushing results. PA-free patented diamond pitcher design is shatter, scratch and stain resistant and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. At number 3. Ninja Professional Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender 1000 features a sleek design and outstanding performance with 1000 watts of professional power. Ninja Total Crushing Blades gives you perfect ice crushing, blending, pureeing, and controlled processing. The professional blender jar is great for making drinks and smoothies for the whole family. The Ninja Professional Blender has outstanding performance with 1000 watts of professional power, 64-ounce maximum liquid capacity. The 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making large batches of creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family, also perfect for large batches of delicious margaritas and daiquiris. 6-blade assembly allows you to crush ice faster and blend ingredients smoother than other blenders. To clean the motor base, use a damp cloth to wipe clean. At number 2. Vitamix Professional Series 750. The Vitamix Pro 750 series blender is a 1200W countertop standard blender. It comes with a 750 brushed stainless finish with a 64 ounces low-profile container with cookbook heritage. This blender has 10 pre-programmed speed settings and a commercial-grade 120 volts 2.2 horsepower. It has a pulse feature and comes with 4-inch diameter laser-cut stainless steel long-lasting blades. This product has a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system. It weighs 18.3 lbs. With the Vitamix Pro 750 series blender, you can juice, chop, and mix like a pro in no time. With this dry grains container, as well as 5 easy presets, you can whip up healthful meals including milling your own grain, grinding coffee, and make your own batters. The tamper helps blend dense ingredients. And with the included whole grains cookbook, you'll have plenty of ideas to get started. From Vitamix. At number 1. BlendTech Original Designer. The BlendTech Designer Series blender has 8 speeds for variable speed control and the ability to achieve a variety of textures. Complete control to adjust your blending at any time while blending. LED display with 7 varying blending options, showing duration, time remaining on the blend cycle. Its stainless steel forged blade, with wings, for amazingly smooth blends. BPA-free Wild Side Plus jar is a 90-ounce volume jar with a 36-ounce blending capacity, ideal for blending beverages for 4 to 6 people. This blender's Designer Series touchscreen controls give the machine a sleek silhouette and are easily wiped clean. Reduced motor noise due to internal baffling. BlendTech blenders heat soups and drinks through blade friction heat. You can enjoy a warm meal or beverage in 6 minutes or less. It does provide a slider for manual control and a pulse button.